Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about the latest status of the Nodepay project. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to join our Telegram channels. Let's get into the details. First of all, my biggest request from you is to listen to this video carefully because right now there is a lot of misinformation circulating about Nodepay. I have learned what the truth of these is and I will be conveying it to you in full, God willing. I think if there's any mistake, we can all come together in the comments to figure it out. I've done my research thoroughly, let me put it that way. First of all, something happened in Nodepay last night. When you log into Nodepay's own dashboard application and type air.nodepay.ai instead of app.nodepay.ai in the dashboard application, you can access the Nodepay Airdrop control page. You come to Shopere and type air instead of app, and when you type this and log in, you can reach the Notepad Airdrop control page. Right now, when you log in, it directly redirects you to app.nodepay, which is their own dashboard. So they have already fixed this bug. There hasn't been any announcement about this through Nodepay's official Twitter, but I believe community managers mentioned in their Discord that it was a mistake, it happened accidentally, and information was leaked. Currently, this is not active. Regarding this issue, if you look at Nodepay's latest announcement about the airdrop, they said they would be adding something like this. They have marked it as coming soon. But this started spreading in the Telegram groups when news about it came out. They have marked it as coming soon. But this is when it started spreading in the Telegram groups that something like this had come out. I haven't even logged into the site, to be honest, because the first thing I checked was Nodepay's official Twitter account, and as you can see, their last post was on December 16th, and there hasn't been any post about this since December 21st or even after December 16th. So it's either false news or information has been leaked from Nodepay. I was thinking it would be closed soon. It turned out just as we thought. Information was leaked. They closed it. Will those who connect their wallets there face any issues? I don't think so, because you were logging in through Nodepay's own system, their own site. But still, we shouldn't jump to conclusions about such news too quickly, because when you come to the Nodepay Europe control page, it's not a page that will just open and close in half an hour to an hour when it really opens. It's a page that will stay open for weeks. At that time, we can just shoot the video again, so rushing there won't really gain you anything. Since the token is not listed, you can't just think about selling it right away. So my biggest request to you is to not rush, because there are a lot of fake links. By clicking on those links, you could also fall victim to scammers. For example, if you look at this statement, links are being shared. It's quite possible that these are scam links. You really need to pay a lot of attention to this. Now let's take a look at this announcement about Nodepay. They shared this on December 16th, and it really talks about some important things. Let's take a look at this, but before that, let me say this. One of the most important things you need to know about the airdrop is, of course, the medals you own. When you scroll down from here, you need to complete the Proof of Humanity achievement from the medals section. If you have successfully completed this and the wallet verification process, congratulations. You will receive an airdrop from Nodepay. You shouldn't have any issues. Let's check the announcement from Nodepay after you've connected your wallet. When you look at the announcement from Nodepay, it states that Nodepay has participated in Season 0. There are videos. Now let's take a look at this announcement from Nodepay. When you look at the announcement, they've added something really nice. You know, Nodepay has participated in Season 0. In fact, let me put it this way. Since the first day of Nodepay's airdrop, we've been farming within a project. So thankfully, we were among the early ones to catch on. As you can see, we farmed Season 0 and Season 1 without any issues, and we were supposed to receive our rewards from there. But due to the fact that there are a lot of new users joining Nodepay from our community, there were many users farming points in Season 2. Nodepay announced that the points accumulated from Season 2 are included in the airdrop distribution. Normally, we would only receive rewards from Season 0 and Season 1. They announced that it has been included in the airdrop distribution. Normally, we would only receive rewards from Season 0 and Season 1. Now we will also receive rewards from the points we mentioned in Season 2. This will benefit both the new users coming in and the old users as well. Because it said something like this here. As you can see, it won't affect the reward distribution in Season 0. in Season 1. They said they just want to give an extra bonus to users who joined in Season 2, so it doesn't harm us. On the contrary, we can say there's a profit when you look at it. Overall, they have summarized what will happen, the upcoming period, under 5 main headings. They mentioned there will be a distribution for Season 2. They wanted us to make sure we connect our wallet completely and correctly. After that, they said that the airdrop check page will be open soon. As I said, that airdrop check page that looks faulty, meaning the one that was leaked, will probably be officially opened in the coming weeks. In fact, since it was leaked, they may even open it in a few days or try to close those bugs. They will soon release a Tokerex, and following the Tokerex, there will be a detailed explanation of Tox E status and how we can clip and stake them. And after the airdrop distribution, the Nodepay Season 3 airdrop will start directly following the distribution. They won't keep us waiting for too long, and this will bring a new vibe to Nodepay. We will all see this together. As we saw last time, in Nodepay 1 we released a Telegram bot, and we made a video about that as well. I will leave the link to the Telegram note in the description. As you can see right now, this is generally how things are. They have warned us, again here, make sure you connect your wallet. They have warned us repeatedly to connect the wallet, connect the wallet, connect the wallet. So make sure to connect your wallet, and I'm saying it again. Make sure when you receive the medal, to get the medal, Discord, Twitter, etc., just connecting it is enough. If you are a user from Turkey, you might not have access to Discord. Unfortunately, what you need to do for this is to use a VPN-like application. You can just open it for 2 minutes, connect Discord, and then exit. We won't be using Discord anyway. We can say that if we just allow that connection in between, it takes care of our place as well. Overall, this is the current situation. Nodepay and the things you need to know. To give a general summary, the control page for airdrop opened, but it opened as a result of an error. It was discovered by mistake, was not officially opened. When Nodepay makes the official announcement, I will record another video to keep you informed. When Nodepay's airdrop climate arrives, we will be receiving our airdrops based on Season 0, Season 1, and Season 2. Let me even show you my own points. When you go to the example tab from here, as you can see, I've earned points from Season 01 and 02. It's already visible here. Season 02 actually doesn't seem to be visible, but anyway, you can look at it this way. Besides that, it mentions that after Season 02 ends, Season 03 will be coming. There is currently no information regarding this. When it comes, we'll talk about it. Since it was said that tokenomics will be announced soon, my guess is that an airdrop check page will come. Just like Grass, however, they released tokenomics simultaneously with it, or just before or after it, because tokenomics is a very important thing for the project. And after they publish the details about it, and while the airdrop check page is still available, they will gradually start to explain how they will distribute the tokens. I have gathered some information regarding this, but I have no idea how accurate it is because, as I mentioned, there are a lot of false news out there. I'm just saying this so that this information is available in the video, like on Instagram, Twitter, etc. In the posts about Nodepay, most people said that Nodepay's token could be released at $0.090.1, which is approximately 9 to 10 cents. But as I said again, since there are a lot of scam news, this could also be false. Since there hasn't been an official statement from Nodepay regarding this, and the most important thing in my life is that tokenomics isn't even clear yet. I can say that it's too early to talk about this. Overall, that's how the process goes. I'm curious about your comments. Let's meet in the comments section of the video. That's all for this video. If you have anything on your mind or something you want to ask, you can reach out to me through the comments or the Telegram chat channel. Wishing you all a good day and plenty of profits. I wish you all a good day and plenty of profits.